In this video I will show you how to change the language on Pinterest mobile app. So let's start. First, open the application. And then here, click on your profile picture. If you see these three dots, click on it. And then go settings. Now we're gonna choose personal informations. Okay, and here you can change your birthday, gender, country or region, or language. So click on language. Click on language on English again. And now we got few options here. So I prefer UK, for example. So click on English UK and that's it. This is how can you change the language on Pinterest mobile app. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. So open the app, profile picture, three dots in the corner, click settings, then personal information, and here click on language, click English again, and then you can choose your language. And this is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and see you one click later. Goodbye.